Hello and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning brand new Volkswagen Polo GTI finished in smoky grey. This is a stunning car and it's great to have new cars finally back in stock. They are still in limited supply though, so if you do like the look of this car or any of our other vehicles, new or used, please do make sure to inquire. So nice few extras there. It's not over yet with the extras though. You've got a really lovely big boot on these Polos. We've got carpet mats in there and then also spare wheels, so great if you end up stranded somewhere. You do obviously get your roadside assistance with this vehicle as well, so you won't have to put the spare wheel on, but it's nice to have that peace of mind there. And again, another nice feature, and it'll help the resale value when you do come to trade it in. If you've got any questions about this vehicle or any other of our cars for that matter, please do not hesitate to contact us, especially like I say, as we are in still a short supply of cars and this is bound to go really quickly. Thanks for watching and we're looking forward to seeing you very soon.